Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. Today I do bring you guys another install. We are going to be working on the Supra once again, and I did come out to my friend Lonzo's shop once again. We're out here in Colton. If you guys need anything done to your cars, make sure to hit up Lonzo. He does a good job on everything. If you guys have an FRS BRZ or 86, he actually does some bash bars that are super sick. Let me show you guys. He actually has a stock right over here that he's working on, and they're really nice. I think he mentioned that a few people actually hit him up after they got into an accident, and those bash bars actually saved their car. So if you guys are interested, hit him up. I'll put his Instagram around here. Back to the install. So today we are actually going to be installing some HKS adjustable springs on the Supra. And at the moment, Alex does have some lowering springs, but he didn't really like them because he can't really adjust them. They were just lowering springs, and the height that he got was what he got. So with these springs, he actually gets to adjust it. He is gonna have the flexibility to actually raise and lower the car depending on how those wheels are gonna sit and then the tires he decides to go with. So I'm really excited to be throwing these on. I haven't yet opened the package, so I'll go ahead and show you guys in just a moment. And shout out to Rally Sport for actually sending me these springs. If you guys haven't already used my code on their website, make sure to do so. It's STILIZ and you'll get 10% off. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna open up the box, show you guys what we got, and then start on the install. They're pretty heavy. So we have decided to actually start on the back because in the back it actually is like an independent setup. So the strut and then the actual spring are actually separated. We're gonna start back here and then we'll go over to the front. I just removed the wheel and then we're gonna get started. I'm gonna try to record as best as I can, but it's kind of tight in there, but I'll try my best. Wow, look at all these pebbles right here. Okay, so now we were finally able to bring the control arm down. It was kind of snug right here, but Lonzo got like a prying tool and he basically was able to release it. But now it dropped down and now the spring is accessible. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that next. Okay, so here is the before and after. These are the ones that Alex was running on the left, and then these are the HKS ones. So we're gonna be throwing those on. back here. We're gonna go get some Dutch in the Stang. I've never been in this car, so we shall see. Go.
Alex?
Or should Alex take us in her 240? Whoa.
Vote in the comments down below.
Yeah.
You guys are... Sick hard, bro. What do you do for a living?
Alrighty guys, so we just got back. We got our Dutch Bros, so we got some energy. We already finished the back. We are working on the front now. I think it's a little bit more complicated, so hopefully it doesn't take us as long, but we'll get it done. I'm only gonna show you guys one side. Obviously, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna have Alonzo help me. That way we can move a little bit quicker. We're gonna start off by actually removing some cables that are actually connected to the strut. You wanna make sure to remove them before you get started. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this one here. You wanna make sure to detach it all the way, and then the brake line as well. Okay, so now we actually removed the cables that were attached. Next, we're gonna remove this nut back here that is connected to your end link. As you can see, it's really long. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the nut, so that's connected to your end link, so I'm just gonna pull it out. As you can see, it's coming out on the other side. You're just gonna leave it there. Meanwhile, you work on the rest of the strut. So now we're actually gonna have to access under the hood.
Alright guys, so we accidentally...
We didn't accidentally do anything. They gave us the wrong part.
And there she is. Okay guys, so I removed the spring and now we're gonna go ahead and install the HKS spring, but we actually do have to remove this white plastic right here, which Alonzo's helping me with. And then we're also gonna remove this piece down here. Okay, and then you are gonna go ahead and add these at the bottom. They're so tiny, so just be careful not to drop them. Maybe I shouldn't have all three in my hand. Could you hold them? So now we're just gonna slip this on. All right, pause. So now you are gonna get the bump stop and you are gonna have to cut off the bottom layer because it's a little too big. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off and then we're gonna add it onto the actual strut. Okay, so now that the spring is on, we're just putting everything back, and then we're gonna put the wheels and then drop the car so we can see how it's gonna sit. We haven't actually adjusted the height. We left it how it was when it came out of the box. So I guess we'll see how it turns out, but we might have to lift up the car and then adjust it, but we'll see. Lonzo's my supervisor. What happened? Ain't no way. I like your glove. You are now one of my elite employees. Look, you can see everything.
Yeah, that was already? Just so you guys can see the other side of this. Just so you guys can see the other side of this video. That's what she's doing.
That's a great selfie. This is what I took to Disneyland. I was like.
Anyways.
Back to the install.
We're done with 3 sides of it, and then we're just doing this side.
Go! So we just finished, and we're actually gonna lower the car now. It is super late and we're hungry, so we're gonna go get Cane's. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. Again, we haven't adjusted it yet, so we're gonna see how it sits and then we'll adjust it later. So this is the result. Monster truck. It's okay, it's not that bad. Yeah. So we're gonna have to adjust it, but we'll adjust it some other day because it's pretty late. So it's been about a week after the install, and all I can say is that these springs are so much smoother than the springs that he had previously. So I do love that. It feels really nice. On the drive home, I was like, oh my gosh, like you can actually feel the difference between the two. But I really like them. We actually haven't adjusted them just yet. So we are waiting for him to actually throw on the wheels that he has. We're probably gonna do that in a couple weeks, and then we'll adjust the springs. That way we have like the perfect fitment. But overall, I really do like these springs, and I highly recommend them if you guys do have a Supra. I will have them linked down below for the Rally Sport Direct website, and don't forget to use my code STILIZ and you'll get 10% off. Shout out to Rally Sport for sending me these springs, and shout out to Lonzo for all of his help. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at STILIZ. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!